Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can bypass ChatGPT content filter. So in here, what you need to do is just open your Discord and then join this servers right here, ChatGPT bypassing. And after you join the Discord server, first you can just click on rules and read the rules here. And here you can just go to prompt. Now you can see this is the prompt. You can just highlight this and then right click on copy text, and now you can just go to the chat GPT bypassing, and now you can just type in slash. Okay, so after a few seconds here ChatGPT will respond, and this is the response. You can see this is the result. So that if you want to add more bypassing here, you can just click on add extra prompts and then add the chat GPT bypassing. If you want to ask again, you can just follow the same step. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.